It's a video.
It's a video?
Of course it's a video.
Why are you taking videos?
I've been taking video.
Oh yeah?
So Kristin said, "Hello, sir. Are there any nice rocks?" And he walked away. Kristin said, he said, "Screw you guys, I'm keeping them for myself."
Well, Kristin, you could go share a nice seafood dinner with one of the seagulls.
How do I zoom? I can't?
No. That seagull probably could take you out to a nice seafood dinner.
He could.
Probably knows where it's at.
Yeah, he could probably get it fresh with his bare hands.
He probably roots for the home team.
Probably. Whoever the home team is.